Right, get married, they said, and it'll be fun, they said. Yeah, very common problem, right? The guy snoring and then the girl cannot sleep. You know, sometimes it could be the other way around also. But what's important is that you need to know your snoring does not just affect you, it also affects your partner, because your partner will be disturbed, cannot sleep, and then both of you will have daytime sleepiness. So if your partner is like nudging you and saying, hey, you know, your snoring is affecting me, or you should get something checked, please do so. You know, it will help not just yourself, but also your partner, and both of you can get a good night's sleep.